Hello guys. Today I will show you how to hide your YouTube channel from your mobile phone. So let's start. First open Chrome in your phone. Then search in
youtube.com.
Chrome. Here you will see three dots at the top right corner. Click on the three dots. You will see an option called Desktop Site. Select that option. Now you will see this type of interface. Click on the profile photo on the top right corner, click on Switch Account and select the YouTube channel you want to hide. Again click on the profile photo. Here click on Settings. Click on Advanced Settings at the left bottom. Now click on Delete Channel. Don't worry, your channel isn't going to be deleted. If you have a password on your phone, then enter it. Now you will see two options. Click on Hide My Channel. Select all the three boxes and click on Hide My Channel. It will take some hours or days to hide your channel on YouTube, so be patient. Thanks for watching. If you have any other issues, then ask me in the comments.